What's up, YouTube? It's Lou here. Hope you're all well. We're looking at Bitcoin today. It's actually good what happened yesterday. We got the reaction we wanted from the 618. Now, will Bitcoin continue to pump up basically? We've had this impulsive move to the upside, and now we're retracing, trying to come back down to the 1 fib level, 35k roughly. If the only way to not come down to here is to hold the golden pocket or the 618 basically. So yesterday we finally touched it for the first time. We were slightly below, but we got this reaction from it, something that we need to see if we are to continue up, or just come into this resistance here and then get rejected and then come lower. The next target would be the 786, where, to be honest guys, we would really need to reclaim the 618 there, as explained yesterday, to actually continue up. Otherwise, if we do come up to the 618 and get rejected and then lose the 786 again, we would be creating the reverse wave, down to 34.3. But the reason why I said 35k is because you can see where the body's closed is 35k. So that's why I think the rising wedge technical target is something that can't believe I was calling out literally even slightly before we started coming down. As soon as I started seeing those wicks, I was like, guys, 9 days of straight up, need to fall back to these EMAs, which was at that time on this double bottom. Of course, I made you aware if we lose this swing high over here as a swing low, you go to the next one down here. So that's why we've come into that zone now. That's why I gave you the warning. We're going to come into this pocket of space over here. And yeah, now we're getting this reaction from the 618. Let's just see if it's going to be a short-term reaction or a long-term reaction. Don't forget, guys, if you ever enjoy these videos, please like. It's very, I don't want to be a dickhead, but it's very demotivating seeing like so many people watching, but then only like 10% of the people liking. It's like, I don't want to sound like a dickhead, but I don't need to make these videos. So that's why it's like sort of demotivating. I don't need to make videos for anyone. Obviously, I want to help people, but when you're not getting anything back, yeah, that's why it's demotivating. So please like the video. Again, the algorithm hates every YouTuber. It doesn't want to help you grow. The only way people can grow on YouTube is from their viewers. So that's why I urge you guys so much to help out. You guys don't need to pay for anything, but all the favor that I can ask for is to like, comment, and subscribe on every video. That would mean the world to me. So, and of course, motivate me to keep doing this. So yeah, let's make sure that we're getting over 50 likes, because we're getting 200 views. So we can get over 50 likes for sure. Let's smash that. That would be really appreciated. So of course, if we're losing this, we know that reversal wave is going to happen. Of course, if we were to hit the rising wedge technical target to the downside down here, you can see you're back at the 1. And if we were to lose the 1, we've already explained, we've got this 1618 target, 27.8k and 28k target of the head and shoulders over here. But we've already explained previously how we don't think this will be met because, it's below all these lows over here. And this was a solid base, so it shouldn't go below this base. So that's why we were thinking, 30 to 32k as a target. So RSI is sort of bottom. You haven't really touched the oversold territory, so you could come down more, maybe to this low. Could be still expecting this capitulation wick. Was that it? I really doubt so. Some people might say, Louis, you can see a potential double bottom forming over here. So this would be your neckline, 41.3k, close a 4H candle above 41.3k, and we would be in a target to about 44k exactly. Nice psychological level. However, you can see that's in and around the previous resistance we were struggling with for months. So however, guys, of course, even though this is looking pretty bullish, we got a double bottom potentially forming, this is in a downtrend, and usually in a downtrend, double bottoms will either work in the short term or not at all. When I mean not at all, I mean it won't even break the neckline. So you can see, where are we stuck at right now? The 55 EMA, which is actually below the neckline here. The 55 acts as a double brick wall. So this is what's stopping us from reaching this white line here, the 200 EMA. However, even if we get above this 55 and we get to the 200, yes, we've validated the 44k target by breaking above the neckline. However, if we do get up there, we need to fall back for support, and it's so vital to hold the neckline as support. Otherwise, if you fall through it, and you can see that this 20 EMA is coiling upwards, it's trying to form, a bullish crossover here, where the 20 crosses over with the 55, and then the chart, falls back for support, breaks out, and then falls back to this EMA cross, holds it as support for the continuation. Because if you come down and lose that and back test it as resistance again, it would form the bearish cross where they cross over one more time, and then you just follow that down to continue down. And then this move up at the moment, everyone's getting excited, but it could be, again, guys, another fake out. So what's so important is we get above all these EMAs and flip them into support, something like this, where we're holding them, and then we can start to head high and start to get excited again. But for me personally, at the moment, this is what I'm waiting for. I want to see this double bottom neckline where we entered the trade previously, this buy position up until there. We took this trade in the chat. We haven't traded since then. So it's literally, guys, it's been over a month since I traded. And you might think, Louis, why are you not trading all this time? It's going up, it's going down. But I just don't like these moves. I don't like how the market is with all this uncertainty at the moment. So I can't do these swing positions, that I'm used to, something that I've been doing for 3 years now. But over this last, literally, since October time, really, basically since here, I haven't been able to swing trade as much. I'm personally a long trader. I prefer to long swing trade. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Be in some positions. I've been in positions for over a year, just like, I'm not taking profit still. It's meeting a certain target. Or I've been in positions for months, for example, or even in positions for a day or a week. I've become more of a scalper recently because of the market conditions. We have to move the market, and at the moment the market is trash. So not exciting whatsoever. This is what crypto wants to do to you guys. So if you got this far into the video, thank you guys so much. Please like the video, please subscribe and comment. But yeah, this is what crypto wants to do to you guys. It wants to alienate you. It wants to make you think there's no money to be made in crypto. That is the moment, guys, that everything changes. Now, does that mean it's going to be today where we go up? Does it mean tomorrow, next week, next month? Absolutely not. But eventually, we will turn things around. It's all about patience, guys. The people that are still in this now, for the long run, there's the ones that are going to make it. Those that are buying the dips, those are going to make it. Even if you're buying here, I wouldn't buy everything personally. I'm really cautious at the moment. I haven't bought anything. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this range breakout. We've been waiting for this since the beginning of the year. I understand how frustrating this is because we're already halfway through April and we're almost at May now, almost 2 months away from being 6 months into the year, halfway through the year, and what's happened? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I think around the end of the year, obviously there's going to be a quick turn of events. Everything's going to be amazing. You're going to see these coins doing crazy amount of X's. It's just, for the moment, it wants to alienate people away from it, make people think there's no money to be made in crypto, make it go up and down, so people buy and then sell lower and then buy higher and then sell lower in this sort of range over here, guys. So that's all that's happening. It's all market manipulation. What's all the thing that's in the media right now, all this FUD, it's been happening since day one. I know I haven't been here since 2010, 2011 for Bitcoin, but in the 3 years that I've been here, I remember the March crash, the COVID crash. That was disgusting. Everyone on social media, Bitcoin is dead. We're going to 2K, we're going to 1K, $800 and whatnot. And what happened? There's like less FUD now. But, well, obviously the war, but there's less FUD now, sort of, in my opinion. Well, it's up for discussion, but yeah. In my opinion, there's less FUD because the prices, like we're such higher prices that the same FUD is not going to make it go down. When it was at lower prices, worse FUD wasn't making it go to zero. So now that we're at such thousands of percents higher, it's so much harder to topple Bitcoin because, it's so stable, it's getting more stable. It's not a retail game anymore. That's why we're getting fucked over like this, guys. It's not a retail game, which it was in 2017 and whatnot. This is all institutional based. They're going to decide when this moves, and that's why everyone just needs to understand that this is a long-term thing. No one's getting rich quick. I'm sorry. If your mate got rich from Shiba, good for them. That is not happening in crypto, real crypto, you know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please check out the crypto packages that I offer. If you want to take your trading to the next level, I'm more than happy to help you out. I've got 3 students at the moment, a 4th starting with the mentorship. Great for them. They're all going to be successful traders because I'm not going to let them not, basically. I'm going to give them all the tools to build the house. Now they need to build the house. I'll do the same with you. If you're interested, head over to my Twitter page, to the pinned post, or just wait till the end of this post of this video to hear the crypto packages. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship. And I will actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.